Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make collard greens vegan. First, understand that the key to great vegan collards is replicating that deep, smoky flavor without meat. We'll achieve this using a combination of specific ingredients and cooking techniques. This guide will help you create a dish that's both flavorful and satisfying, perfect for any meal, and surprisingly easy to prepare. Proper preparation is crucial for tender collard greens. Begin by washing your collards meticulously to remove any dirt or grit. Next, carefully remove the tough stems from each leaf. Then, stack several leaves, roll them tightly, and slice them into 1-inch wide strips. This ensures even cooking and a pleasant texture in your finished dish. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. In a large pot, sauté diced onion and minced garlic until they are soft and fragrant. Then, pour in your vegetable broth, a few drops of liquid smoke, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. A tablespoon of nutritional yeast will also add a wonderful, savory depth to your pot liquor. Once your flavor base is ready, add the chopped collard greens to the pot. Stir everything together, ensuring the greens are submerged in the liquid. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for 45 to 60 minutes or until the greens are incredibly tender. Taste and adjust seasonings with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.